Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Today I will teach you the lesson number 3, dirty bath water. So you have to open the page number 15. The lesson is there, dirty bath water. So let's get started. We all know that human beings like to and try to stay clean. But do you think animals try to do so too? Here is a story from the Jataka Tales which will help you find the answer to this question. So children, you all know we human being will take bath every day or daily, but animals also like that. Same they will try to do. So in that story, Jataka tells you can if you read the story, you can find out the answer about your question. Like human beings, animals also try to do the bath to make clean to themselves. Once upon a time, in a kingdom, the finest of the royal horses was taken down to the river to be bathed. The grooms took him to the same shallow pool where they always washed him. Also, once upon a time, a long time before, in a kingdom, the finest of the royal horses. So there are so many horses in the kingdom. So one is one of them, the finest, special, was taken down to the river to be bathed. So by the groom. Grooms means those who look after the horse. They called grooms. They so the grooms took the horse, that finest horse, to take bath in that same pool before he used to wash there. Next, however, just before they arrived, a dirty horse had been washed in the same spot. He had been caught in the countryside and had never had a good bath in all his life. So, before they arrived, the king's groom and the horse, before one dirty horse washed there in that same place, who was caught by the village people. Next, the fine royal horse sniffed the air. He knew right away that some filthy wild horse had bathed there and fouled the water. So he was disgusted and refused to be washed at that place. So what happened? That kingdom's fine royal horse sniffed the air. Means he took the smell of the air in nearby that pool. He knew right away that some filthy wild horse that bathed there and fouled the water. So before he came, some means others any fold was dirty horse had came and dirty made the dirty the water, and he was refused to wash there at that same place. Next, turn the page, children. Page number 16. The grooms tried their best to get him into the water, but could do nothing with him. So they went to the king and complained that the fine, well trained royal stallion had suddenly become stubborn and unmanageable. So the grooms went to the king, and they informed to the king they are unable to take bath that horse in that pool, and he was not ready to take the wash him at that same place. It just so happened that the king had an intelligent minister who was known for his understanding of animals. So he called for him and said, "Please go and see what has happened to my favorite horse. Find out if he is sick or what is the reason why he refused to be bathed. Of all my horses, I thought one was this was one of such high quality that he would never let himself sink into dirtiness. There must be something wrong. So after listen everything, the king understood the what happened there, and he has called his one intelligent minister in that kingdom, and he informed to him, go and understand what happened there, why was not ready to take the bath, that pool. Find out he is sick or what any other reason there to refuse to be bathed. So all of my horses, he was one of the high quality, and he would never let himself sink into dirtiness. He wouldn't like to make him dirtiness. There must be something wrong. I think there something is going wrong. Go and find out that. Okay, children. Today, up to this much, I will explain to you. Next paragraph, I will explain next class. So, bye, children.